We're very, very short selling this in the early stages. A very nice short sell, did look very good. And even during this phase, it looked very good. But you can see what happened to vols. They changed their mind. They're entitled to change their mind. We took out a high print here and we put in a low print here and they changed their mind. And when they changed their mind on this rotation, of course, that opens the door to the pop. And the pop was pretty impressive, wasn't it? It's very difficult to sell into that volatility rally. Very difficult to sell into the volatility rally at that stage. So very, very nice looking bit of business there. If we look at Gamma, you can see Gamma did the exact same thing. It's almost exactly the same. Well, it should be almost exactly the same thing. The bloody thing's the same thing, right? It's not exactly the same. It's pretty close. The Gamma line was very bearish from these high prints. Into the bottom edge, you can see the Gamma line completely changed its mind. It became very, very, very comfortable with the low price. Very comfortable. And we got a very nice lift off the bottom edge because of that narrative. Very pleasant. Again, 2 out of 2. Very good. Very good indeed. When we look at the knob spread, did that agree with the bond price? Did that, agree with equity staying bid? Yes or no? It absolutely did, didn't it? The knob spread stayed bid. Equities bought the bottom edge. No shit, Sherlock. Imagine equities buying, especially the NASDAQ, buying when the knob spread has a buyer in it, as if that's something you didn't know about, right? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Brilliant trade. Let's look at the components. Not so beautiful. Not so beautiful. Components not really connecting to this. Now, they obviously connected to the rally, disconnected at the highs, reconnected to the rally. So components not so interested in it so far on a buy or a sell. They're not bullish or bearish. They're just kind of flat, aren't they? They're not doing anything. That's absolutely do dandy. So nice trade. Next trade coming up sometime soon. Yeah, we'll be looking. We'll be looking for the next max trigger. We'll be looking for the next number 1 or 2 volatility traders, hedge traders, and we'll see what happens. Now, remember, we've got that number 1 trader at the top edge at 16 handle. And so we've got that number 1 trader. They haven't came into the trade at this stage, so I wouldn't sell it because it was quite some time ago. I would like to see them coming back into that trade at higher price. So I'd like to see that print showing up on the trade log again. Hasn't shown up on the trade log. So at this stage, not really expecting an awful lot from these dudes. And we're not getting anything from these dudes at the present moment. So that's okay. All good in the hood, guys. All good in the hood. Looking at a little bit of a look at some indicators this afternoon, guys. I know you love your indicators, so we'll take a look at some indicators that can all edge towards doing me out of a job. So we'll look at how to understand indicators, the kind of indicators that you want to understand that might help you with some of your decision-making processes. Classroom in 28 minutes, guys. 28 minutes.
Thank you, Ray. And we